Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my NEET journey. So today is 8th November and I'm finally sitting down to face something that has been bothering me for days. My backlogs. For the last few days I wasn't feeling well and I couldn't study properly. And now I have a backlog of almost 5 days. Honestly, it doesn't feel good because when you fall behind, that guilt starts to build up inside. But I have decided not to let that feeling control me anymore. I'm going to start fresh tonight. My plan for today, 8th November, Saturday. I'm a late night student, so most of my focus time is when everything around me is quiet. And tonight I have planned to cover Physics 3 lectures and Chemistry 4 lectures. It is a lot for one night, but I know I can do it. I have made my notes ready and my tea is here, and I have set a small goal for every few hours so that I wouldn't feel overwhelmed. I start with physics because I find it easier to focus on the concept when it's quiet. After that I will shift to chemistry. I know it's going to be long night, but I'm mentally prepared for it. You know, sometimes life doesn't go as planned. Health issues, mood swings, distraction, it all happens. But I have learned that these moments are not failures. They are just pause. What matters is how you bounce back after them. This time I don't want to make any excuse. No matter how late it is, I'm going to give my 100%. Because deep down I know what I want to become. And if I want that dreams to come true, I need to prove my dedication. Not just in a words, by my thoughts and my actions. So tomorrow I will be completing my all pending lectures and I will cover my all DPPs. Basically, I want to end this weekend with zero backlog so that from Monday I can start with a fresh mind and clear schedule. I know it's going to be tough, but honestly, the peace of being back on the track is worth every single hour of hard work. I know there are so many students out there feeling the same right now, behind in lectures, feeling lost or demotivated. But please remember this, you are not alone. It's okay to slow down, it's okay to take a break. What matters is coming back stronger every single time. So yes, tonight is going to be a long study night, but it's also a night of taking control back, of reminding myself why I started. No more excuse, no more delays, just pure focus and hard work. By 9th November, I want to say proudly my backlog is cleared and I know I can do it. So stay tuned for the next video. I will share how much I have actually managed to complete and how it feels to be back on the track again. If you are also working through your backlog, let's do it together. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.